Hello, and welcome to Filings Corner, your expert destination for smart tax planning, compliance, and capital gain optimization. If you're planning to sell property, stocks, or business assets, capital gains tax can significantly impact your profits. But the good news is, with the right strategy, you can legally reduce your tax liability and retain more of what you've earned. That's exactly what we help you do at Filings Corner. What is capital gain? Capital gain is the profit earned when you sell a capital asset like real estate, shares, mutual funds, or business assets. It's categorized based on how long you've held the asset. Short-term capital gain, STCG, assets held for less than 12 months, in case of equities, or less than 36 months, for real estate or other assets. Long-term capital gain, LTCG, assets held for more than 12 months, for equities, or more than 36 months, for property and other assets. The tax treatment for each is different, and understanding which exemptions apply to your case is crucial. When do you need capital gain consultancy? Here are some real-world scenarios where our expert guidance can help you save big. Selling real estate. We help you claim exemptions under Sections 54, 54F, and 54EC. Stocks and mutual funds. Use Section 112A benefits and understand grandfathering provisions. Selling business assets. Get accurate tax computation and reinvestment advice. NRI transactions. Claim DTAA benefits to avoid double taxation on foreign income or assets. Inherited or gifted property. Understand how taxation works on inherited or gifted assets. Reinvestment planning. Get help selecting the right instruments for capital gain exemption. Why choose Filings Corner for capital gain consultancy? At Filings Corner, we don't just calculate taxes, we create smart tax strategies that align with your goals. One expert CA support. Our team of seasoned chartered accountants specializes in capital gains taxation for residents and NRIs. 2. Personalized tax planning. No two cases are alike. We offer custom solutions based on your asset type, holding period, and income structure. 3. Maximized savings. We help you apply for the right deductions, exemptions, and reinvestment benefits under applicable laws. 4. End-to-end support. From capital gain computation to filing exemptions and handling documentation, we take care of it all. 5. 100% legal compliance. Avoid mistakes, interest, and penalties with our accurate reporting and professional handling. Common capital gain exemptions. You can use here are some key exemptions and benefits we help you claim. Section 54. Reinvest gains from a residential property sale into another residential property. Section 54F. Applicable when you sell other capital assets and reinvest in a home. Section 54EC. Invest your LTCG into specified bonds, NHAI RISI, within 6 months to save tax. Section 112A. Enjoy tax exemption on LTCG from equities up to Rs 1 lakh per year. DTAA for NRIs. Reduce or eliminate TDS and avoid double taxation through double taxation avoidance agreements. Here's how our process works. Step 1. Free consultation. Step 2. Capital gain analysis. Step 3. Tax planning strategy. Step 4. Filing and documentation. Step 5. Ongoing advisory. Call us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to book your consultation. Filings Corner. Smart tax strategies. Maximum savings.